When you buy a bond, you see two different yield numbers. Let's demystify what yield to call and yield to maturity actually mean. These two metrics help you calculate your expected return, but they rely on two very different timelines for your investment. Yield to maturity assumes you hold until the final date, while yield to call assumes the company pays you back early. Often, the yield to call is lower because the company wants to refinance their debt when market interest rates drop. Focus on yield to call when interest rates are dropping, as that is when an issuer is most likely to refinance. Yield to maturity is your go-to number for comparing different bonds on a level playing field for the long haul. Remember that both are just mathematical projections. Market conditions change, and these numbers are never a guaranteed result. Smart investors often look at the yield to worst, which is simply the lower of the two, providing a safer, more conservative estimate. Bond math can be tricky, but understanding these two metrics makes you a much more informed investor. Subscribe for more money basics.